Looking for a delicious wine for life's perfect little moments with those special people in your life? I've got you covered. Oh, hey, Chardonnay. I dare say Chardonnay is the king of white wine around the world. It's a huge category in the wine business with several different winemaking styles, but for today, we're going to focus on the traditional oaky, buttery style that you see pretty much everywhere. I think of a good Chardonnay for a birthday brunch or lunch with friends, paired with seafood or a creamy pasta dish, or with appetizers like brie or Gouda cheese and crackers. But really, Chardonnay is good for any occasion. It's versatile, yet classy and elegant, so it makes a great choice to have on hand for white wine drinkers. Now, if you've ever been to Napa Valley, California, then you may have heard of William Hill Chardonnay. I got to visit this winery for work, and they make a lovely Chardonnay with notes of citrus, baked apple, and hints of toasted oak and vanilla with a long, soft finish. Perfect to sip on a summer night, too. And just remember, a great bottle of wine can be easy to find, and you can find this one at Total Wine, Kroger, or your local grocery store for around $15 to $20. Take these wine tips with you on your wine journey, and you too can be an everyday sommelier. Cheers.